The morning sun grew warmer as Leela fluttered her tiny wings, practicing her first real flight. Suddenly, a glint near the root of a tree caught her eye. Leela hopped closer. It was a shiny golden ring.
This must belong to someone.
Leela hooped closer. It was a shiny golden ring. Just then, a worried squirrel rushed down the tree.
My ring, my precious ring!
Lila looked at the ring, then at the squirrel. She could have kept it, it was beautiful, but her heart felt heavy at the thought.
You found it! Thank you! You're welcome! Thank you so much! Anytime! Always tell the truth and be honest. Honesty brings help, trust, and protection.